How to find privacy policy for young users on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find privacy policy for young users on your Likee, easy and quick. First thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, you're gonna find those three lines up there, top there. Click on setting. Once you click on setting, you're gonna find legal and policies top there. Wait for a second and you're gonna find the third option, which is privacy policy for young users, and now you can click there, and here you have your privacy policy for young users. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.